Hey guys, welcome back. It's Matt with Garden Distractions. In today's video, I'm going to be planting up my backyard corner. This is a north-facing corner that gets majority full shade with a little bit of morning slash early afternoon sunlight. So these three hostas that I have here, there are three different varieties that I'm going to be planting, and then I'm planting an endless summer hydrangea as well. Now, this corner is about 4 feet from the fence to the gate, so it's perfect for the hydrangea. They get to be about 3 to 4 feet tall and wide. And then the hostas can get up to 18 inches tall and then spread by time over years. So let's go over them really quickly with what I have. The first one I have is a variegated snake eyes hosta, and it will flower from June to July, requires partial sun to full shade. The next one I have is a variegated Paul Glory hosta, and it flowers between July and August, and it requires partial sun to full shade. And the last hosta I have is a variegated Seiboldiana Elegans, and it also flowers between July and August and requires partial sun to full shade. Then we have the hydrangeas, the Endless Summer Hydrangea Series Bloomstruck, and it requires partial sun with morning sun to partial shade for the rest of the day. This one also can change color depending on how acidic or alkaline your soil is. So I'm not sure, I haven't done a soil test for back here to see how this will turn out. So this is just a test for this year, and they get to be 3 to 4 feet tall, like I said, and 3 to 4 feet wide. So let's plant them up. Hey everyone, sorry to interrupt. I just want to thank today's sponsor. Today's sponsor is LynnLiana.com. LynnLiana.com are a local Canadian business based out of Winnipeg. They make these beautiful, stunning pieces of charcuterie board. Now they are acacia wood, and they are then putting an epoxy on top, and they're custom done, so every single one looks different. They come in different sizes and different colors. Visit their website at LynnLiana.com and get 25% off, and use a discount code LLGardenNow. See the description below for the website and for the discount code. Now back to the video. There we are. So all planted up, ready to go for the season. We also did purchase this little fencing system. We have it on this side and on the other side where our tulips are, just to keep the dogs out of this area so that the plants can grow and they don't pee or poo in that area. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you in the garden. Bye.